So which one is heavier? 701 with Aurora Explorer kit or Kove 450 Rally? Which one weighs more? Hello friends, my name is Daniel and this is my channel Motorcycle Adventure. And today I'm gonna be performing simple test of weighing two bikes that are pretty much similar, but in the same time they're not similar. I mean, the style is similar. So first one is gonna be Kove 450 Rally, and all of the fuel tanks are filled up all the way. All three of them are filled up, and the second bike is gonna be Husky 701 enduro with Aurora Rally kit. It's an amazing bike, and you would say, oh, they are totally different bikes, and I would agree with you, but I want to know what's the weight difference, and then in the next episodes I'm gonna take them off-road and I will compare both of them, and one of them probably will stay home, the other one will get sold, maybe or maybe not. Let's get to it. All right, I hope you can see it from there. So first one, we are weighing the 450 Rally, and we'll see how heavy it is. Ooh, we need a little bit higher. And we don't have anything higher. So this is not the first time I'm weighing these bikes. I did it one time already, so I know which one is gonna be heavier. But I want to see if you will guess down in the comments. Put what is the exact weight, and we'll see who's the closest. So put the weight for the 701 and put the weight for the 450 Rally into the comment, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see. Ooh, look at that. Man, I feel like this bike has lost some weight. Last time it was exactly 400 pounds. This time it's 399 pounds and 47. Is that ounces? How do you say it, guys, in the United States? What is this two digits here? Okay, so that's in newtons. We don't need to know that. 181 kilos and 25 grams. So that is something that I'm familiar with. I'm not familiar with your pounds measurements. Okay, 399 and 181.25. 399 and a half. Okay, so as you can see, the bike is not touching, so everything is fine there. And now I'm gonna weigh the second one. So now we are weighing the 701 with the Aurora kit, and let's see how much this thing weighs. Okay, you can see now that it's zeros here, and now we're gonna connect it and we'll see. Let's go up, crank it up. little bit uneven distribution of weight. Let's see. And we are suspended. Suspended. Okay, so the previous one was $3.99. And let's see what this way, and let's see who's the closest. Stop moving, please. So you can see that nothing is touching. Nothing is touching there. And it's still moving. And ta-da! So whoever was commenting down that it's 412 almost. So this one is 412, and this one is also has gas in up to the brims. It's filled up with gas. So this one is 411, and the previous is 399 and a half. So the difference is what is it? 11 and I don't know, a quarter maybe. 11 pounds comparing to that one. The difference is with this one that this one has a thicker plate, has these pegs that are aftermarket. So that one has, this one has this rack here. So I guess next videos, or maybe right now we can talk about that. If you were to buy, let's say, a Kove 450 Rally, right now you probably will pay with the taxes not more than maybe $10,000. If you were to buy a brand new Husky 701, that would be probably around 13,000 with the taxes and registration. But after you put the Rally kit, which is in itself with the shipment to United States, is going to be probably around $7,000. So you're looking at $20,000 bike versus $10,000 motorcycle. Are they comparable bikes? Probably not. This one is a wheelie monster. That one is a gentleman, we could say. But the real test is going to be on the road. This bike sits very high. I can barely touch my, well, I can touch the ground, but on my tippy toes most of the time, and if the ground on the other side of the bike is if I'm somewhere where I have where it's on the slope, one foot maybe will not reach all the way down, and it would be kind of sketchy. With that one, when you sit, the suspension is so plushy that I am flat-footed on that one, and I'm 6 foot high and maybe 1 or 2 inches. Okay, so 411 in pounds and 186. So it was 182 that bike and 186 is this bike. So 4 kilos difference, or what did we say, 12 pounds? That doesn't add up. I think that's a little bit kind of a sketchy. Yeah, 411 versus that one 399 and a half. So technically 11 and a quarter and a half would be 5. So 186. I'll have to look up again what is the weight of that one is in kilos. So there you go, guys. That's the end of this video. please, I'm begging you, subscribe, and I will have more fun videos on the road already for you, and we'll see how they ride. We'll take you on a Kentucky adventure tour, which is a lot of fun. There are beautiful places there around Kentucky, so we'll see you in the next one.